us. Today's kata is going to be Gankaku. I had a few requests for this kata, therefore we're going to try and work on what is needed to perform Gankaku properly. Of course, as I said before, the pace that we're going to use today is going to be slow and make it into quite a few different blocks of combination, waza. So techniques and stances, then of course it's up to you to put it all together, but try and remember, at the moment we're going to use only a small space, and as I said before, you might hear some noise from the outside, but the main thing is that you can see properly and hear properly. The idea is this: we need to make sure that the techniques are correct, the space changes. Okay, so kata is only to do with learning the combinations, not necessarily the distance, the timing, direction. So try and remember, combinations are important, techniques are important, but not the way you perform them. In the kata, it has to be only one way, but in application, of course, it's going to be very different according to where our opponents are coming from, which kind of attack they're using, the strength of the attack. Okay, so at the moment, kata-wise is going to be for techniques, nothing else. Okay. So, of course, again, the bow first, kata name second, Gankaku. Then you move left and right to your first move, similar to what we did before, going backward, similar to Nijusho, going into back stance, moving the right leg, this time blocking with the palm of your right and the left back of hand pushing, helping the block. So make sure you have enough space, then slide backward into the stance. It doesn't need to, or rather I prefer not to say go to the right hip, but just from where you are, make the motion. Not necessary to go back, to go forward, but you're going backward already with the body, therefore there is enough power to deflect, block the attack coming. So you move backward, Jordan. Make sure that when you finish, in line with the left side of your face. So you block, first Jordan, then Shudan. Remember to rotate, to push, similar to Ayangoda. Then you push with your left as you pull with your right. Then you punch. Okay? Watch again. Block, block. 1, 2. From here, step forward to go backward. Step forward to go backward to Geran Kibarachi. From here, you look over the left shoulder and block. Jodan Jujuki. Left in front, left in front. Okay? Make sure you block. Then you pull down slightly. First is a right maigeri. Again, check your distance. Right maigeri followed by left maigeri. So, combination kick, block downward. Okay? I'll do this way. So, again, watch your distance. From there, down, kick, kick, push down. Okay? Downward. You don't need to go back, you're already up in the air, push down. Then look over the right shoulder, step, and push. So I'll do it this way so you can see better. Once you've done one, you rotate clockwise. Clockwise, and do the same technique again. Okay? Gedan. Koza. Okay. From here, remember, you push downward. And remember to make sure that you're left in front, left in front. Okay? Then you step forward and push downward. Okay? Double, really. One next to the body, one forward. Then you step forward and shoot off, same way. So again, this time back stance, okay? From back stance to front stance, you move your right leg, your right hand goes in front. cross, then open. Open out. Don't make it too big, just open out. Then you move your left leg, left in front, open out, palms towards you. So first is palms out, palms in. Then as you move your arms round, you can straighten your legs, standing position. Okay? I'll do this way so you can see better. From here, you can move slightly your left leg. Then you look to the left and cross your hands. Push, Jodan Uchuke, Gedan Burai. Then you step forward, exactly the same reverse. Jodan Gedan. Then rotate anti-clockwise. Then again, cross, Jodan Gedan. You should do that rotation 3 times. Forward, forward, rotate. Okay? You finish, you move downward in front. So look forward in front of your body and block into kodanach. Okay? Your foot is back, blocking. Okay? Then left in front to right in front, kibarach, and block. Okay? And then again, this time is the right leg moving to this side. Look to the left. Move your left foot under, close to the right heel. Then push upward. Again, Jodan Uchuke, Gedan Burai. Okay? Pull, squeeze in your body. Fists to the right hip. Then lift to do Uraken Jodan. Kyage, keep your arms, step and punch. Yeah. First kiai. From here you go backward with your right leg, which goes next to the left hip. Left knee, back straight. Okay? Back straight. Again, left to shuke, right Gedanburai. Arms now go to the left hip. Yoko kyagi, and uraken, punch. From this position, you do the opposite direction. Left, right knee. Okay? Left, right knee, same time cross. Cross and lift. Then right hip. Pull in, push in. Okay? Pull, push, punch. From the punch, turn, shuto. Remember to look. And shuto. Then tate MP with your left, pull down, open left, right fist, left hip. This rotation next is not easy, so you have to rotate, push in clockwise, and rotate your body. Make sure when you rotate, I'll do this way so you can see better. You rotate to look. Look. Again, in, pulling. Last move. Lift, kyage, step and punch. Yeah. Last move of the kata. So you come back. So all this needs to be crossing. The moment you cross left, you cross left. Right, under. Then you lift your body. Don't make too much of the lift. Yeah, just a control lift. Control lift. When you kick, kyage, punch. Yeah? So the idea is to make sure that your body is compressing. When you compress, you push downward. Compress. Yeah? Compress. Then, kyage. When you turn, make sure you turn looking. Shuto. Okay? So, from the punch, shuto. Tate. Pull. Remember when you rotate, don't go up and down with your body. Rotate. When you're rotating, it's just to look the other way. Look to the next opponent. Then when you lift, remember, lift and pull. keep it until the last moment. Then you can come back. Okay? So try to remember, this kata is better to be performed on a solid ground. On the mats is much more difficult because the mats, they don't give you too much balance, stability. So unless you're sure that you can do the rotations, don't try this kata. But practice this kata. Every kata is going to give you a few gifts, either balance, timing, strength, speed, power. Okay? So work on the techniques and the stances, then put it together. And don't worry too much about the different directions, because as I said, we don't really have too much space here. When we go back to the dojo, then we can all put it together. Make sure you start and finish facing the same way. Okay? Take care. Stay strong.